You ever get stuck for design ideas? Unsure of how to move forward? I'm going to show you one of the methods that I use to unlock new design possibilities. Hello and welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to do a demonstration video just showing you one of the methods that I use to unlock the potential of new ideas and to just give you a sense of where to take a design in new directions. Often I will work with inks and I will work with paper and I will play. It's really important for your own creative journey to break new ground, to find new ways of expressing yourself. And I'm going to show you how I create these design ideas, and I'm just going to walk you through the process. So hopefully you can see how ideas can take shape spontaneously when you just allow yourself the freedom to let the materials speak to you. Sometimes the most exciting and interesting things happen completely by accident. Stained glass is a very deliberate process, it's a very time-consuming process, and it's really great to think through ideas quickly on paper first. So there we have it. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you found it useful. I would encourage you to be as experimental as possible in your research before you create designs. I think it's important that we move the whole medium of stained glass forward. It's fantastic to create traditional stained glass windows, and we have a wonderful heritage which I'm very proud of and I help to look after, but I'm also interested in seeing the medium of stained glass thrive in the 21st century, and the creatives out there are the ones to make it happen. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike, and I'll see you in the next one.